Performing tea budding. To perform this budding technique, you will need the following: budding knife, grafting tip or any available plastic tie, rootstock, and another rootstock with the healthy bud stick. Identify the active growth parts of the plant. This usually found around the middle parts of the stem, where the green and brown bark meets. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud and remove it from the rootstock. And the other rootstock, make a T-shape slit around the active growth parts. Scrape the bark open and place the bud stick into the slit. Secure the bud stick with the place using the bark flaps. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper parts of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.